It is International Overdose Awareness Day, and leaders say the pandemic has been tough on those working to recover. WDRB's Darby Bean shows us how Kentucky and Indiana are both taking time to remember those lost and to offer support.
Unlike COVID, there's no vaccine to protect us from addiction.
On both sides of the river.
There's not a family in southern Indiana that hasn't been touched by this in some way.
Tuesday, the focus on International Overdose Awareness Day.
Not only are we in the business of getting drugs off our streets, we're also holding accountable those corporations who exacerbated the opioid crisis.
Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear signing a proclamation declaring August 31st Overdose Awareness Day in the Commonwealth.
Everybody out there working on recovery, in recovery, has the support of this entire Commonwealth.
Hear our cry, O God. Listen to our prayer.
In southern Indiana, a gathering outside Clark Memorial Health. Flags at half-staff. Names of those remembered on the sidewalk. A moment of silence and prayer.
Amen.
It means a whole lot to me. It really does. I've lost two really good friends over the years with this.
Having gone through a program here himself, Jason Morgan says he's now 5 months sober.
I was suicidal and homicidal basically because of my drug of choice, which was methamphetamine, and basically anything you'd put in front of me. I knew that I needed to do something because my life was just out of control.
But others are still in the middle of their battle.
We've seen increased overdose activity, honestly, throughout COVID.
Clark County Health Officer Dr. Eric Yazel says Indiana's statewide overdose monitoring system measures the volume of people brought to ERs across the state due to an overdose. Clark County got alerts both Friday and Monday.
Those don't come our way very often, and so we had two in a short period. We felt like it was prudent to let the population around us know. And we had 22 in a 4-day stretch, and those are just ones that are captured in the emergency department. And then we had 12 in a 24-hour period as well that we were notified.
Messages from Kentucky and Indiana encouraging people to get trained on how to use Narcan to potentially save a life.
There is hope, there is help. People do get better.
These are numbers from LMPD of overdose deaths broken down over the last several years. You can see in 2020, the number jumped to 400. Data so far this year shows deaths at 203. Darby Bean, WDRB News.